welcome back to Tackle It with Britt. Welcome if you are new here. Thank you for clicking on today's video. I'm really excited to be participating in this week's Tiny Tidy Tuesday collaboration because we are dressed for the occasion. Since Halloween is this week, some of us, if not most of us, decided to do a little bit of dressing up while we tackle something on our to-do list. Today, I'm going to be tackling this refrigerator. It is way unorganized, dirty, spills, and I've been putting off this project for way too long. So I thought I would pick up the camera, clean out the fridge. I am dressed as a vampire, if you can't tell. I have my fake blood, my little teeth bites in my vampire teeth. So fun. I cannot wait to see what the other content creators come up with for their Halloween look, and I am super in need of some motivation. So if you guys are new to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button. I am slowly growing on this channel, slowly but surely. I appreciate each and every one of you. So if you're new here, definitely hit subscribe and watch some of my other content. Lots of cleaning, organizing, decorating videos, and much more to come. I have to declutter my whole house, and I keep saying that, but I keep putting it off because life, just life. But I wanted to say this Tiny Tidy Tuesday collaboration is hosted by my sweet and dear friend Sunday Dawn, and her channel is The Helpful Home. There will be her channel linked in the description box down below, as well as an entire playlist. So be sure to click on the playlist, watch everyone's videos, get lots of motivating content, subscribe to their channels as well. And let's go ahead and stop rambling and get started in today's video. Hope you guys enjoy.
I was told it was urgent, come see me tonight. In the circle we're flirting, and we danced for hours. She knew that she had me, but I didn't realize I'm sleeping with a vampire. Got lost in the city when we drove through the night. Stopped by in an alley, and she kissed me while she knew that she had me, but I didn't see it now. I'm sleeping with a vampire. When morning is come, she's always gone. She will call me when she's run out of young blood, of young blood. She hates to see me fall. That's why she leaves at sunrise, at sunrise. Just when morning has come, she's always gone. Oh, I'm sleeping with a vampire. She knew I was waiting through months and pain. The one day she texted me at 12 a.m. I knew that she had me, and I started to see that I've been hooked up by a vampire. She said I'm sorry I left you behind, and I know it sounds funny that it was enough. Checked in at a hotel, and I already knew this time I'm sleeping with a vampire. When
this is something I like to do when I clean out the fridge, the freezer, the pantry, anything that is expired or I notice I'm running low on. I will write a grocery list so that I know to get it the next time I go to the grocery store.
I really need to try to talk to you, but every time I do, I end up like a fool. Yeah, when I try to tell you how I feel, strange things happen to me. I lose my way, I don't know what to say. It's always like this, I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for a day, I would tell you what I feel till you know it. 'Cause I would know just what to say, if only I was some kind of poet. If only I was a poet. If I was some kind of poet. If only I was a poet. Just some kind of poet.
I wanted to take a quick moment to introduce myself in case this happens to be the first video of mine that you stumbled across. Welcome to Tackle It with Britt. My name is Brittany. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have 4 kids. They are all school-age children, and I also have 4 dogs. Winnie and Daisy are my 2 Frenchies, and you will pretty much see them in every video of mine. They are my little shadows, always right next to me. And then I have 2 Shiba Inus, Yuki and Yoshi. I am married to my best friend Josh. We live in sunny Arizona, and here on this channel it is all about motivation, from cleaning to laundry, organizing, and decluttering. And I also have a vlog channel called Brittany's Beautiful Chaos. And over on that channel, that is where my YouTube journey began. I like to share day in the life vlogs, family vlogs, and a variety of shopping hauls. So if you'd like to get to know myself and my family on a more personal level, I have my vlog channel linked in the description box down below. You can also give me a follow over on Instagram. I am active over there daily, and I like to share a lot of lifestyle content on my Instagram account as well.
Got a lot of choices, I got a lot of ways that I can go. I hear a lot of voices, they have a lot to say, but I don't know. Then little bit holy, an ocean that I will make it out somehow. In the cracked up pavement, dandelions grew like a vow from a world that wouldn't let us down. On an empty schoolyard, the summer was new. We talked about bands and ways to leave this town. We laughed and lied, debated and confided, tried to fake it to get by. Back at Johnny's house, his folks were out. White lightning struck like a golden blaze. Everyone went crazy, everyone was there that night. A grown-up kissed in a twilight haze. We thought we'd had it, damn, I'm sure we did. Have we let it slip away? In an endless dusk we prospered, when everything was bright and new. A crew of jokers and believers, moonlight dreamers. We got a band together, although nobody could sing. We learned some chords, one pose, got cocky and loud. Wrote songs that existed, thought we knew everything. Rehearsed in that old house, dreaming of a crowd. Just a heartbeat away, still another life. Have we let it slip away? In an endless dusk we prospered, when everything was bright and new. A crew of jokers and believers, moonlight dreamers. Just a heartbeat away, still another life. Have we let it slip away? In an endless dusk we prospered, when everything was bright and new. A crew of jokers and believers, moonlight dreamers, moonlight dreamers.
That is going to be it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you got lots of motivation and inspiration. Let me know in the comments down below, what are you tackling in your home today? Don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist, all linked in the description box down below. Be sure to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, that helps me know and YouTube know that you enjoyed today's video, and leave me some comments down below. I love to chat with all of you, and if you are a fellow content creator, let me know so I can return the support over on your channel as well. I hope you guys are all doing great. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care. Bye.